Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great and happy Monday. Today is about Minimal Monday and I hope you all are excited to see what I have in store for you today, so let's get started. Okay friends, so my first tip is about those acrylic drawer organizers. They're clear, they're clean, I absolutely love them, but sometimes you want to customize or jazz up your drawer, and you can easily do this with 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. It's very budget friendly. You can get it for a quarter to $1.99 for suede or kind of a leather feel. There's so many choices out there on the market now from like Michael's or Joann's. All you have to do is just sit that down in your drawer and then sit your acrylic organizer on top of the scrapbook paper and you immediately have a new look. Stick with a polka dot theme if you like that Kate Spade look. You can do whatever you want, but it's a nice way to just give your drawer a little makeover and really have things looking fabulous. So friends, let's move into the question of the week. One question that I was asked a ton about this week was my fingernails. I did a video on a DIY labeling. I'll link that video below. And I think I got more questions about the nails than the actual video. And friends, they are actually press-on nails. I found them when I was actually shopping for you all for a giveaway in Ulta. And they're by China Glaze and they're the metallic nails and they're absolutely gorgeous. Okay friends, so let's talk about the giveaway. Now, if you missed my video where I shared with you my spiritual handbag and how I set up my purse for church, I shared with you my kind of Christian setup, and it had the Bible cover, I had my devotional cover, along with my ties clamp and a journal, spiritual journal. Well, I am giving the entire bundle away as the giveaway prize this week. And so you'll be able to choose your color from the choices that are available. I think they have like a black, a brown, a teal, and the gray that I got. And so once the winner is chosen, I will have your monogram placed on it just like mine, and you can have everything monogrammed to your choice, so you can customize it however you want. And so the winner will be chosen from the email list, so definitely make sure that you're on my email list. I also want to thank everyone who has pre-ordered my book, Beautifully Organized. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you have not pre-ordered, go ahead and get your copies. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed Minimal Monday. I would love to know in the comments, what is your favorite metal? Are you a gold girl, silver girl, rose gold? I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.